Well, I actually started to put this because the exams are coming nearby. All the best for your exam. Don't be nervous. Just do how much you know, but do it properly. Second thing, don't get nervous. That is very, very important thing. Practice is must. You have to practice a lot to get a good marks. Okay. Well, we'll start with the thing. Right, fine. So now here Kim takes part in a race that covers a total distance 20,000. So she cycled 17,875 meter and runs the remaining distance. So this is actually you cannot use the calculator. So accordingly you have to calculate. Alright. So over here the question is the total distance. What is the total distance? Total distance 20,000 and this is the cycling. So what is the remaining? So it's 20,000 minus 17,875. Okay. So the answer is 212. That is 2,125. So this is our answer. Okay. Now we'll see the next one. That is you have to write the number in words. Okay. So how you will write it? First of all, you should know this part. What are the place values here? Okay. So here, this is 17. This is in thousand. First we'll start with ones place, tens place, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So we'll write it down. $17,800 and 75. Okay. Now this number I have to round it off. So how you will round it off? I'll just tell you one simple way. This is your number 17875. Okay. So now the nearest 100. What is the question? Nearest 100. When I'm talking about some nearest place value, you have to see the previous value. What is the previous place value of 100? It is tens. So I'll see what is the tens value of this number. It is 7. Is it greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So what happened? This number which is in hundreds place, that will move to the next number. So it will be 179 and the remaining will be 0. So this is a trick you should follow. It's very easy. You have to just see the previous value and you have to accordingly have to write the number. Okay, right. Now what is this shape? This is a net. So what is this shape basically? It is a square based pyramid. Alright. This is the answer. So this is a square based pyramid. Write down the number of vertex. Vertex is the corner. Remember that vertex is the corner in a 3D shape. So there are 1, 2. I'll just mark with a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 4 point will meet at one common point. I'll take this top. So it is 5. So the answer is 5. Okay. Right. Now next, the number n is a both multiple of 12 and a square number. So you have to think about a number that is what do you call it? Yeah, it should be a square number. So what is the smallest value here? So first of all, you should know what are the multiple of 12. So what it will be? 12, 24, 36, and what is it? 48. Now what you noticed is that is the 36 number is a square number? Yes. So the answer is 36. Okay. The next one is that a coin is made of tin, copper and zinc. So this is a percentage. Always remember the percentage is always out of 100. Out of 100. So you have to subtract what? First thing you have to add this part because that is the total of the, and the remaining we will be the finding by subtracting. Okay. So what is it? So the answer is 3.1 percentage. Please include the symbol properly, student, the sign, the units, because that also count as the marks in the mathematics. Okay. Now we'll see the next one. Here there is a number. So what it is, it should be between 3020 to 3200. So here 3020 to 200 you have to see. First thing obviously this is the first number. So you will write a 3 here. Now what is the next number will be? If I am talking about if I place this, is it okay? Yes, it can be. So 1, 5, 0 because this will come between this and this. So the answer is this any possible answer? It can be like, for example, I'm taking 3, 0 because it's starting with that, and 51. That can be the one answer, right? Any other possible answer, student? So it can be any number, right? This also 3105. So this can be the another answer. So this is the three possible. So any one can be correct answer, student. Okay. Now we'll see the next one. You have to write the simplest form. So when you do the simplest one, you should know the table. So now here 90 upon 120. This mostly come in 3 table. 3 30s are 40s, and 30 and 40 comes in which table? 5 table. 5 6 this one will be 8. Further 6 and 8 will come in 3 and it is 4. So what is it? 3 is, and it is 4. So what is it? 3 is to 4. Right. Now what should be shaded says that it should have symmetrical. So did you notice these 3 patterns are there? These 3 are shaded. Inside part is perfectly fine. What about the outside? 1, 2, and what about this? So you have to shade this to get rotational symmetry. What is rotational symmetry? When you rotate, so it should exactly look the same around 3 odd. Okay. Now here you will notice that there's a scale drawing. Now you have to understand 1 centimeter is 30 meter. So what is the measurement given? 210. So 210 will be, you have to divide it by 30. So this will be 7 centimeter. So you have to take 7 centimeter on bearing of 125. So always remember, when we are talking about bearing, you have to measure from north. You take your protector, measure it around 125. Okay, you can do using your protector and place your protector. Okay, I'm just doing roughly, but you have to use your protector while doing it. So it's 125, and mark it, and you will draw a line like this. Okay, and with the scale you have to take 7 centimeter and mark that, and that point will be L. Okay, now we'll see about the next one. A cake has a mass of 600 gram and Joe eats 1/5 of the cake. What is the mass left? Now you have to understand that she have 1/5 of cake. Out of 5, one part has been eaten. So what is the remaining? So it's 4 out of 5. Always remember, this is the remaining into 600. 5 ones are 120. So it's 480. You can do like this, or you can just find 1/5 of the 600 and subtract it with 600. Okay, you'll get the answer, same answer. So it's 480 kilogram. Okay, the next one, find the value of A. What is A here? Now you should know there is an arrow given. Please understand, this arrow is for parallel lines. So you have to use the properties of parallel lines, right? So over here, there are 2 lines here. So you have to, you have to put some property to get the value of A, B, C and all. So here, right, did you notice this is this line? This line is your, it is forming a Z. So angle A will be equal to angle this, because it's an alternate angle, student. So you will write that 46 degree. Alternate angles are equal. Okay. Find the value of B. So for that we'll just check. Find the value of B and C, both will check. Okay. Right. I'll take different color. Find the value of B. B is what? Before finding this, right. So here you got the value of A. A is what? 46. It's forming a triangle, and so what is the angle sum property? It's 180. So 60 plus 60 plus 46 plus C is equal to 180. So what is the answer? So it's 74. So the value of C is 74. So I'll write 74 here. Okay, so angle sum property. Now I'll take another one, that is B. How you will find it? It's an exterior angle for this triangle. So there's an exterior angle property. What is it? The sum of interior angle is always equal to exterior. So this will be 60 plus 74. So it's 134. Okay. So this is 134. So you'll put the value exterior angle is equal to sum of sum of or you can do like this also, student. Wait a second, I'll try it another way. It's a straight line, right? So A is what? A is 46. So subtract it, you'll get the same answer. Okay. So you'll write, because straight line makes 180 degree. So 180 minus 46 is 134 degree. C is 74. So total interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Now here, this is first thing you have to finish this. 9 into 3 is what? 27, and 27 plus 7 is 34. So this is the answer. Okay, now first thing you have to simplify. Minus 6 minus minus will become plus 12. So minus 6 plus 12 will be, it's 6. Okay, you have to put the sign of bigger number. So here 12 is bigger, so you'll put that it's positive. So you have to, this should be written as minus 2. So always remember its power, so it should be here. Then we have to make it positive, and that will be 1 upon 100. Or okay students, so now you have to factorize here. It's very simple. 9x plus 12. Now what is common? Which number is the multiple? Means it's a factor of 9 and 12. So it's 3. So I will take 3 common in the bracket in 3 table. So it will be 3 3s and 9. So I'll write 3 9x, and 3 table 12 comes how many times? It's 4 times. So you'll write that. So this is a factorization. Further we cannot simplify. Okay. Now the second part of it is this, very simple. Always remember, shift here, 6x is there and 2x is there. I'll shift this. Okay. So 6x, keep that as it is. Okay. So here it is positive. So when it goes, it will become 2x. Minus 5, I'll keep it like this only, is equal to 30. So it will be 4x. And minus 5 shifted to that side. So it's 13 plus 5. So it's 18. Right. So x is equal to 18 upon, because it's multiplication. So 18 upon 4. When I simplify that, it will come 9 upon 2. Okay. So the value of x is 9 upon 2, or 4.5. Right. Now next, it's very interesting to do this. Right. So here plane flies from London to Colombo. Okay. Is 8:20. It arrives at 2:15. Okay. The flight time is 13 hours 25 minutes. Now you have to check. This is 2:15. This is the timing, student. Okay. So here this is complete day, right? And this is also next day here. So what it will be 8:20. So 8:20. So till 2 o'clock we'll calculate. So 8:20 is there in 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 hour. 20 is deducted from 60. So it will be 40. So 3 hour 40. Okay. Plus 12. Okay. Plus 12 is next. Plus 215. You have to add. So what it will be? 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 15 plus 2 is what? 17. So 17 hours. What is the minutes? It's 55 minutes. So now this is the time according to the given time. This is the duration. But obviously there will be some change. What is the change here? Because the question is the flight time is this much is the duration. So you are going to subtract that 13 hours with 25 minutes. Okay. So what it will be? 0. So it's 4 hours 30 minutes. So this is my difference. This is the time. Okay. Now state whether the time in Colombo is ahead or behind in London. That is the question. Okay. So it's very simple. So when you subtracted, you got 4 hours 30 minutes and it was 17 hours 50. So when you find actual difference, so it should be the exactly 13 hours 25 minutes. But it was going ahead of it. It was going ahead of it. So which means that Colombo is ahead of London. Okay, Colombo is ahead of. That is why we are getting more hours rather than not less than 13 hours and 25 minutes. So which means 4 hours 30 minutes. It's higher in Colombo than the London. Understood, student? 2 parallelograms, student. Okay, find the value of x. Now it's very simple. Parallelogram, what is the formula for parallelogram area? I'll take this as A1, this as A2. Okay. What is A1? L1 into H1, that is length into height, plus. Now what is length here? 15 centimeter. Sorry, 15 centimeter. Okay, into height. What is height here? It is x. I don't know what is it. Plus L2. L2 is will be the same because both have this thing. Okay, so it will be 15 centimeter. Height is 4, and total is what? 210 centimeter square. Okay, so over here 15x, we don't know what is it. 15 fours is what? 60. 210. Shift it. Minus 60. That will be 130. 130 or what is it? 150 it will. So x is equal to 150 upon 15. So the answer is 10. So the value of x is 10 centimeter. Write the units. It's very important, student. Okay, right? So now what I will do, I'll stop over here because we'll continue this part in the next session, that is the second session of this. Okay, I hope you understood it. If you have a doubt or anything, please put it in the comment. It's very useful, student. Okay.